Hello and welcome. I'm George Crump, lead analyst with Storage Switzerland. Today we're going to continue our test of the GridStore Scale-Out NAS. You can find previous updates about that, as well as a webinar we do with Kelly Murphy, CEO of GridStore, on our website. So we went through a test drive of the GUI and talked quite a bit about the capability of expanding the system, and so that's going to be our task today, is to expand our NAS, take advantage of all that scale out goodness that we've been talking about. So we'll bring up the interface, and you can see here I'm starting to run out of capacity. We've been using it for storing files, of course, and then also just throwing test data at it and making sure it stays reliable. By the way, the system has been up and running, no issues at all, so rock solid from that standpoint. We will do a availability test in an upcoming update, but for right now we're focused on how can we make this thing grow. So as you can see, our capacity is at 86%. But everything is operational. However, the capacity, of course, is consistent across all of those. You can see we've got a little bit of activity going on with the system now. We've got some background jobs running and things like that. So, as I've explained in the articles, the scale-out system is built all through nodes. You can see right here we've got our first set of nodes up and running already and online. These are all of the available nodes that are there for us. And these two right here are the nodes that are available to add to the cluster. So we can now go in and add these to our existing environment, so we can get out of this particular situation. So with that out of the way, then once we're done with that, we'll go to our storage pool, which you can see here. More dramatically, we're down to 520 gig free of 3.6 terabytes. We'll be able to go in and expand this and do some things like that. So of course the first step is to go ahead and add the new nodes to the system. So we will do that from here. We just select the checkbox and we'll add them all, and we click on Add to Selected Pool. And there we go. So now if we go to our storage pool, we can see that all the nodes are now in the system.